For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Actress Taapsee Pannu was acclaimed for her acting in the 2019 movie Game Over. The actress took to Instagram to share a lesson she learned from the movie, which she has related to the ongoing lockdown. In the Instagram post, the actress shared a philosophical message. She writes about the envelope she is holding in her hand and how its message resonated with her. She further adds that Game Over was more than a movie for her. We all have two lives. The second one starts when you have only one left. That's what was written in that envelope I'm holding, and when I read it for the first time, it hit me hard, made me believe in living in the moment so much. Not that I was much of a planner before that. Game Over was again more than just a movie, more than just a story for me and for everyone who understood the meaning behind it. Life is what you're gonna make it. You should have the willpower to live and not just survive. Game Over, starring Taapsee Pannu and Vinodini Vidyanathan, is a psychodrama, thriller, alternate reality movie. This movie fits into multiple genres and cannot be clubbed into just one kind. Taapsee received a lot of positive feedback for her role as Swapna. Seems like the movie is very close to the actress's heart. Earlier, the actress shared another still from her Game Over movie. This time, the actress shared a picture that was clicked on the first day on set of Game Over. The tattoo is a pixelated heart with a gaming remote inside it. In the caption, the actress calls the tattoo an annoying takeaway from the movie. First day on the set of Game Over, and this tattoo became the annoying takeaway for me and for everyone who saw the film. I love tattoos personally, so I get really excited about getting tattoos done for films. But since they are the temporary ones, maintaining them becomes a pain, especially in the humid Chennai weather. This tattoo actually became my accessory, which was to be handled with a lot of care. Taapsee will next be seen in a mystery thriller, Haseen Dilruba, which is directed by Vinil Matthews. She will also be seen playing the role of a Gujarati athlete in Rashmi Rocket. She will be playing the lead role in Shabash Mithu, which is a biopic of Indian women's cricket captain Mithali Raj.